What is up, guys? And for today I'm going to show you my top 5 server. I mean hide and seek server, and it is called, well, if you can see, play in here, BH, Tuldok, NPBP, Tuldok, and ET. I don't mean Tuldok because I don't know what is English. If you can see, let's just go in here. I'm very sorry if it's gonna take long because I'm recording plus Wi-Fi plus my cell phone really lag equals super lag. I'm getting super lag today. If you can see, welcome to the instant network. If you can see. Oh, then after you get that, you in type your password, any password you want. Just remember your password. Then after that, you can click a guy standing. It is Steve standing on stuff. But if it's black, it's closed. Actually, that's It's Indonesian. Indonesian. Those people in there is Indonesian. I don't really know what are they saying, but the creator is Canadian, or it's Canadian or Indonesian. But I don't know. It's Canadian or Indonesian. I don't know of that. So I hope you like this video. This video really helps. If this video helped, do subscribe or like my video, and I will see you guys in the other video.